Oh, alright. If you want to be
Serious
like
shit.
that. Yeah, this is serious shit.
Came 3 in this bitch.
You recording?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's what I like to hear.
Like Doug Luck, man. I'm down with the bitches and hennas,
Go.
man. I don't know what that means, but.
Me neither.
Sure.
Heck. I got you in a pickle.
I guess not. Go
ahead.
I guess someone here likes the poo. Cool.
Go ahead. You're good. I don't even know what that means, but.
I don't either, man. It's a mystery for all.
Yeah.
Ah, Bazorg.
24.
Yeah. What does it mean?
Bazorg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smash.
Yeah.
17.
Sure.
That reads.
Go ahead. Oh, this must be fucking nice.
Ah, the sorcerer. What?
Are you just going balls deep?
It's a singing.
Satire.
I do it for the video.
It's cool singing.
There you go. Show them what's up.
Just wouldn't walk into it.
Absolutely not. Sure.
Enterprise, baby. I got this shit on lock. Like a vault.
I don't even know what that means.
I don't even know what that means either. May have to edit that out later.
To clarify, does anyone in this room know what that means?
What does it mean? Why are there so many ostriches?
It's another good question, man. Mine?
Yeah.
There you go. Off the top.
Off the top keener, even though I'm down 6.
I'll play the one from the storm. That's fine.
And you pass like a coward?
Good.
Hey man, he ain't never scared.
I didn't want to lose to an Unfazed Typhoon.
May as well. I want him dead. Attack.
Frog.
Bomb Frosh! You're up, Charles.
Zorg.
Charles Lee Ray.
Prep the Bazorg, I'll die.
Soup.
Yep. That's what he does.
How's your face?
She's coming back. She's a filthy whore, but she's coming back.
I hope so.
She might. Another heavy. Good. Oh, you can flip your suit. Your
Frog for
down.
game.
Go.
Quit being a coward.
You're a coward.
What's life out?
You're at 4K to my 52.
Good. Deeps. This isn't looking good.
20. 11.
Ah, Zuko.
Oh no, that hurts.
Get soaked.
I had it last turn. I was just like, You have any other tarps on that?
Harmless.
Oh, that hurts. I'm not very happy. This game's gonna end up bad. Let's go with Sook.
Yeah.
It's getting pounded.
This game's gonna be bad. Good.
Interest? Call.
Sure, Charles Lee.
Swing for you?
Well,
Oh.
sorry, I forgot I had that.
Alright,
There it is.
Now you may proceed.
Call.
Yeah.
900?
What am I at?
19.
Sure.
Comfy.
Smashing.
Ah, smashing ground, very powerful.
What is Jeffrey in the top?
Good.
I can't top anything. Heavy's gone.
Dog, I used your name on camera.
Who do you think?
Oh wait, what am?
You're at 1,000.
You're at 1,000.
Good. Remembered you had knock.
He's knocking on.
Fuck!
It is.
What am I at now?
You're at 1,000.
Okay.
6.
The things I gotta do to stay alive. I was at 1,000, guys, so shut the fuck up. You're just kidding. Sub to me. Love you. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Smiley face. Go. This video is deep. Until that happened. Sure. Yeah, Lee Ray.
Off the top, Lang.
Hey, I'm fighting, so you better chill, alright?
John, this is Kim, your new Terminator.
Go.
She'll follow your commands.
This was,
There it is.
Never, ever quit.
Good.
Understood, Mom. I'll take her on a test run to determine her full capabilities.
There it is, really.
There it is.
I said my vagina's bleeding.
I can't believe that's in the video. Like, someone?
I'm fucking mad.
Anything?
So good. That hoits.
Good.
That hoits.
Monster with 400 attack. Okay, not a monster I can play. Go ahead.
You're lying. Good.
I got pluses for days, but nothing that can do damage.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Must be fucking nice. Good. This video's going on way. Fuck.
Put that bomb frosh back.
I would. For the camera? Come on. I can't believe I was in the background of my video. Like, I need to bleep that out. I'm not going to though.
Cool.
Yeah, you're fine. Aufschlagen! Aufschlagen wasn't even out then, guys, so you better chill out.
Yeah, it was. That's Smash.
That's Smash.
I meant Osfrosh! Sorry, I
He was
screwed
like
up.
halfway through the format, Douglas.
Nah, not Osfrosh.
Oh, Osfrosh.
Osfrosh. Bombfrosh. He's in the yard. Still nothing?
Dude, just pound it. Go ahead. Really? Talk with faith. He's at 400. Yeah.
Attack.
Westman?
That hoits.
Yeah. Whatever. Okay.
Good. I mean, I know you have the knock still, but...
On heaven's door.
Yeah. Yeah.
So. Okay.
Yep.
What are you booking, Doug? What are you Suka in?